Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Space, and in today's video I'll be differentiating between the original AirPods Pro and the super clone AirPods Pro. And if you stick to the end, I will show you guys some things to look out for when making a purchase. If you actually look out for these things, you won't get scammed at all. Alright guys, let's get into the video. So this is the original AirPods Pro, while this is the fake AirPods Pro. This is actually a super clone. I bought this one first before I got the original. So let's get straight into the video. Okay, the first thing you'll notice when you want to differentiate between these two AirPods is that this is actually light. The casing of the AirPods Pro, the cloned AirPods Pro, is actually light, and like this place is not well built. It looks like something you can easily break out, but I don't want to try, but it's not well built, and the magnet is not super strong. It's kind of shaky. You can try and shake it if you want to, but this one is well built. Like, it's actually well built. The magnet is strong, and if you want to remove this from I'm holding the original AirPods Pro. If you want to remove the AirPods from the casing, it's smooth and it enters in back immediately. Like, it's actually very smooth. The magnet inside is very strong, whereas the fake one is actually light. Is lighter than the original one. Is heavier than the fake one, but it's actually a super clone. The original one is heavier than this one. Okay, all right, going on to the second factor that you can use to differentiate between these two. So if you look at this place, there is an opening on the original AirPods Pro. There's a slight opening there. I don't know if you can see it. The same thing, it's two. There are two openings, here and here, whereas on the fake one there is nothing like that. There is no opening at all. So you see, there is an opening here and there is none here. So if you look closely at the original AirPods Pro here precisely, you will see something like Apple AirPods Pro with the model number of the AirPod Pro. So each AirPods Pro has this particular model number, so it's marked here. While if you look at the fake one, there is nothing like that. You can only see TP, and you can't see any significant write-up like stuff here. You just see TP, or maybe depending on the company that produced it, you will see the write-up, small write-up here, but it doesn't contain the model number of the AirPods Pro. And so guys, the third way to differentiate between the original AirPods Pro and the fake AirPods Pro is the size and the magnet. The original AirPods Pro is a bit heavier than the fake one, and if you open them, let's say you have the case of an original AirPods Pro, or what you want to buy, let's say you want to buy an AirPods Pro and one of your friend or your friend has it, you should take it to the market and you bring this is the fake one, and put inside. It will not balance. So when you take a fake AirPods and put inside the case of an original one, it doesn't enter well. It won't fit in well. It can't close because they're not the same size. So if you remove it, it's actually difficult to remove. I mean, it's not well built. See how the original one balances immediately. And that's it, closed. Okay, the last differentiating factor between the original AirPods Pro and the fake AirPods Pro is the active noise cancellation. Sometimes when you use a fake AirPods Pro, you might actually know that it's fake if you're not using active noise cancellation, because some like this now, this one, the fake AirPods Pro, is a super clone, and the audio is actually very nice, like really good. But this guy has an active noise cancellation, why this one doesn't have. So guys, thanks for watching. And that's the difference between the original AirPods Pro and the fake AirPods Pro. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.